Yeah, hello and welcome to a quick update about how the gold market is currently performing as we enter the weekend and how the weekly is closing here. So overall the view is, and I explained it in the previous videos already, just brief recap, that from the low here in 2015 we created an impulsive wave to the upside, a 1, 2, 3. We're now in this fourth wave and we will move up in a fifth wave. This rally here, a lot of people saw that as bullish. Yeah, I already told you back in February on my main channel, More Crypto Online, that this is just a wave B that will eventually sell off in a fourth wave. We have now finally reached that area. So since then we dropped here from 1980. I think that was when I made my first video about gold, to around into my target area at 1706 now. So you can see we're comfortably in the target area now, in this reversal area. That's the larger reversal area here for a wave 4. I told this is between 1600 and 1720. And I told you if we go substantially below 1600, then we have to expect a 3-digit gold price, because it is then not a wave 4 anymore. It will then be probably a wave 2, and the wave 2 retraces much more typically than a wave 4. So this will be quite substantial. For now, I would expect, however, to hold this area and to reverse anywhere in this area. Now, I gave you a specified area for the reversal, which is between 1624 and 1673. This is within the broader area, the more specific area where I would expect gold to reverse to the upside. I think we are currently here, as you can see, in a smaller impulse to the downside in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're probably now in the fifth wave here to the downside. So that means we're probably not far away from finishing this off. Nevertheless, that means that even in this scenario here, we can still drop another 5.8%, which is not massive, but for gold quite a bit. Nevertheless, here this could take a few weeks to play out. But bear in mind, at any point here in this green area, the overall downtrend can be over. So be prepared for a trend reversal here fairly soon. If we take a look at the projection target, the equality projection between wave 1 and wave 4, this is what we typically would see, or it is at least one viable target, that from the beginning of this wave to the downside, this wave 1 here, we can calculate the length. This was probably it here, and this would be one target, 1681. So probably just didn't do that 100% accurately here, but I think this was the one, the 1-to-1 ratio here, 1681. Maybe I need to do that. Let me just double check that. To do that really accurately, I might have to move then these targets. I think maybe last time I didn't do it super accurately. No, so the overall target would actually be 1680, between 1680 and 1637. Yeah, I think this would be the ideal target here based on the equality projection. The 1-to-1 ratio would be the equality target. That is where we would expect further support. So 1680 is the first chance where it can reverse back to the upside at any point now, but this would now be the highest likelihood in my opinion. Below that, we've got here the 1.618 extension at 1637. So anywhere in here we would expect the reversal, and then we can move up in a fifth wave to the upside. Now that will also play out over months, maybe even years, in this fifth wave here to the upside, and that will be a five wave move in itself, consisting again here, as I said, out of 5 waves, and that can take months or even years to play out. Now after this area is reached then, and that will be above $2,500, anywhere there I would expect this larger cycle to finish. So if we take another look on the weekly chart, you see this is actually the end of a major cycle. Here in blue you can see those 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a very, very large cycle. And if this breaks then and corrects down, this will be a major sell-off. So again, I said before, if we go below 1600, this sell-off could already start, because then we would have to assume the wave 5 is already in. This is the alternative scenario that would become live below 1600. Okay, and just want to update you here, currently all going according to plan. I currently expect further lower prices for gold. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.
you.